How to fix wishlist not showing on your Temu. Many people asking me to do this video, so let's fix it. First, guys, you have to open your settings of your device, open your apps option and search for Temu. Here, open your Temu like this and click just on force stop. Click OK, and right now you have to back. And you need to come to your Play Store, update your Temu app on the last version. Then restart your phone, open your Temu if it is available with you. So it's working, and if it's not working, you have to uninstall your Temu and install your Temu again. So that's it, and if it is not working, because so many people are suffering of this problem, just contact the support of Temu app and they will help you. So don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing.